Hey, you want to see a little behind the scenes numbers here? Here we go. Ready? So hold on. Let me get my calculator back up. So uh, I'm doing taxes. And by the way, I'm in a busy cafe, but I'm doing taxes. And I want to kind of, the reason I like doing taxes, well, I can't believe I said that. I like doing taxes is because I see what's going on. And I see like what I'm doing and what's working and how it's working and why is it working and whatnot. So up here, of course, I'm not going to show you everything, but just here, this is, for example, client work, like coaching work. This is, I think I was charging 60 euros an hour. So here, what if we added these up here really quick, right? We've got 88 plus 35 plus 13 plus, okay, 1330, right? Okay, and then divide by, I don't know, like honestly can't remember. Okay, whatever, 60, whatever. So call it 22 hours. Okay, that's interesting. So 22 hours of work. And what was the total again? 1330. It's cool, right? I mean, that's legit. And I actually like client work. I like coaching. It's fun and I'm good at it. Well, it's usually fun, but I'm good at it and I forget everything I know. And people remind me, like, dude, you know a lot. So, yeah. The second one is an article I wrote, and I was paid 60, I think it's dollars. Is it dollars or euros? I don't know. So $60 for an article I wrote for a magazine. That's super cool. Also, that's like fun. Like I love writing articles, getting paid for it. Seriously, like I write and create every day. I do not get paid, right? When I create something. So here, that was kind of cool, right? But then the fun part, and you're gonna say like, Bradley, why am I still listening to this? Down here, this is affiliate income. And I'm just getting started my taxes. I haven't filled it in, but I just wanted to point out this is affiliate income. So this is where I promote a product or I have a link or I use some software that I love and I only promote stuff that I use and love and know. And down here, actually can't remember what it is. I think this one might be WP Manage Ninja, like the Fluent products. Super cool, right? Like I use a product, I know it, I explain it, I pimp it a little bit. I mean, like I promote it, pimp, okay, I'm not supposed to say that. And I get a commission. This is honestly like my favorite way to make money, if I'm honest. You know, I hate when people say if I'm being honest, because like the rest of your time you're lying. Are you lying unless you preface what you say with I'm being honest? Okay, there you go. There is a little tiny glimpse into a tidbit of my massive spreadsheet. It's so ridiculous. I have such a complicated mess of disaster going on. So there you have it. That's like work by the hour. Although, look, it works, right? It makes more. That's more money than this. But this took me 22 hours. This took me an hour, which is about the same as that. And then this took me, well, see, you could also say that this took me years because these things, I think I know what that one is. And that took me a long time. And I have a bit of a name in the industry and people trust me. So they buy the thing, right? It's not even my thing, right? I'm promoting some other thing. So that's that. Okay, there you go. Affiliate income, hourly income, and hourly income that you love and hourly income that you love less or love more. What's it all worth, right? Like, what's your favorite kind of income that you have? And are you having a variety of it? Do you do different stuff? Okay, I'm on my AirPods on my laptop. I really shouldn't be recording in this really noisy co-working space, but I just am doing my taxes and I wanted to show you this. So let me know if this is interesting. Okay, bye.